Who called Gandhiji as Mahatma? Rabindranath Tagore. When was the Mahatma Gandhi series of banknotes issued by the Reserve Bank of India? 1996. Who gave slogan "Do or Die" during Quit India movement? Mahatma Gandhi. Which was the first movement of Mahatma Gandhi in India? Champaran Satyagraha. In which language book the Satyagraha was originally written? Gujarati. Who called the father of the nation to Gandhiji? Subhash Chandra Bose. What was the civil disobedience movement where the British were asked to leave India called? Quit India movement. When is the International Day of Non-Violence celebrated? 2nd October. Who is the author of Gandhiji's favorite bhajan Vaishnava Jan to Teen Kahi? Naseem Med. When Mahatma Gandhi and his volunteers started Dandi March, 1930. Satya Ki Saath Mere Prayog, whose famous book? Mahatma Gandhi. Dandi March is also known as Salt Satyagraha. Who was the private secretary of Mahatma Gandhi? Mahadev Desai. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Porbandar. The British government police arrested Gandhi for the first time at Ahmedabad. Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869. How many days did Mahatma Gandhi and his volunteers took to cover 24-mile journey from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi? 24. Who is considered as spiritual guru of Gandhiji? Leo Tolstoy. What was the name of father of Mahatma Gandhi? Karamchand. When was the Gandhi Review Pact signed? March 5, 1931. Who is the author of Undo This Last? John Ruxin. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. What is Mahatma Gandhi's first name? Mohandas. What is the name of the building which served as Gandhi's residence in Mumbai from 1917 to 1934? Mani Bhavan. What was the name of mother of Mahatma Gandhi? Putili Bai. How is the date of Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915 observed now? Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Who said, live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever? Mahatma Gandhi. Who decided to convert Gandhi to Christianity in South Africa? A.W. Bakir. When Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated, 13 January 1948. The essential condition of Satyagraha led by Gandhiji was non-violence. What did Gandhiji call freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose? Patriotic. When did Gandhiji take the vow of Brahmacharya or sanctity of life? 1906. Were Mahatma Gandhi deterred on being arrested for the Quit India movement? Aga Khan Palace. By which name is Gandhi lovingly called by his countrymen? Bapu. What was the title given by Mahatma Gandhi to his Gujarati translation of Undo This Life? Sarvodaya. Who advised Gandhi to remain as an observer and student in the country for a year before taking part in Indian politics? Annie Besant. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhi? Sarojini Naidu. In connection with the inauguration of the so-called Rowlatt Satyagraha, Gandhi started a Satyagraha Sabha in Bombay. Who described Gandhi's march to Dandi in the following words? Like the historic march of Ramachandra to Lanka, the march of Gandhi will be memorable. Motilal Nehru. On being arrested for his Quit India program, where was Gandhi detained? Ahmedabad prison. Which year Mahatma Gandhi was named the Man of the Year by the Time magazine? 1930. Mahatma Gandhi became a barrister in London at the age of 19 years. The place from where Gandhiji started his recruiting campaign for the war on behalf of the British government. Kedah. Who was the youngest son of Gandhiji? Devadas Gandhi. Gandhi's The Story of My Experiment with Truth was originally written in Gujarati. Who translated it into English? Mahadev Desai. When Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa? 1915. A South African province name where most of the Indian emigrants had taken up abroad, Natal. At which place was Gandhiji arrested for the first time by the British government for edition? Ahmedabad. The ideas of Undo This Last into practice, Gandhiji founded the Phoenix settlement near Durban, which came into being in the middle of the year 1904. At which age Mahatma Gandhi got married? 13. Who portrayed Mahatma Gandhi in the 1982 film Gandhi? Ben Kingsley. Gandhiji, the hero of the Satyagraha struggle of the Indians in the South Africa, landed in Bombay on January 9, 1915. Which day the Dandi March expedition was started by Mahatma Gandhi? 12th March, in which South African unit had most of the Indian emigrants take up abroad. Natal. The difference with Gandhiji led Subhash Chandra Bose to resign the presidency of the Indian National Congress in 1939. Leaving the Congress, he formed a new party called Freedom Bloc. Gandhiji's wife name Kasturbai. What is the significance of the Gandhi Memorial in Kanyakumari? Gandhi's ashes were kept here before immersion in the sea on February 12, 1948. Where is Sabarmati Ashram? Ahmedabad. In 1920, which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi? Non-cooperation movement. At which place was the first permit office opened on July 1, 1907 for the registration of Indians under the Registration Act? Pretoria. For the arrival of Lord Mountbatten in India, Gandhi met him for the first time on 31st March 1947. Which of the following plays left a deep impression on Gandhi? Harishchandran Sharvana Kumar. Which is the most important weapon of Gandhiji? Satyagraha. Gandhiji confessed his guilt of stealing for the purpose of smoking in a letter, promising never to steal in future and asked for adequate punishment. To whom was this letter addressed? Father. Hind Swaraj book is the work of Gandhiji. Which year Birla House, New Delhi, where Gandhiji very often used to stay and where he was shot dead, was turned into a government-run Gandhi Museum?